Presenting Colorx. Color stories at your fingertips.
This is a color-replaced print design artwork.
Press the Auto button at the top to create color stories.
The colors are picked up randomly from the choice of your own color palette.
And so on.
Let's load a few more artwork images and create color stories.
And so on.
And so on.
And so on.
There is one more option where you can lock one or multiple colors, and allow the software to create auto color combos on the remaining colors.
Let's lock the ground color and play auto color on the motif color.
While the ground color is locked, the motif color is replaced randomly.
Locked ground color.
Now, let's lock the motif color and play auto color on the ground color.
Locked motif color.
And so on. As you must have noticed that the color stories appear with a complete randomness of colors from the selected color palette.
What if you want to have color stories with a similar parity?
The software has a facility to create color stories with a similar parity, as shown in the next auto option.
Here, all the color stories appear with colors of a similar parity. The ground color is maintained as a medium, dull tone, while the motif colors as brighter tones.
And so on.
With Colorx, you are never short of color stories.
Thank you for watching.